In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily add text in Capcut. So for the first step is that you're gonna scroll over to the text option right over here. Now click on the add text by clicking on this plus icon right over here. So once you do that, you can easily edit your text by typing anything you want. For example, I could type anything like dog owner. So as you can see, you can easily edit your text. So what you're gonna do now is that you wanna scroll down and play around with your text. You can increase the font size like this. You can either make your text be bold like this. You can add an underline on your text, and you can also change the format to italic. You can then scroll down and play around with your text even a little bit more. You can add color to your text. For example, if I want it to be red, I can click on the red button, or rather on the red side. If I want it to be blue, I can click on the blue side and it will be blue. You can also add a preset style. You can add a black and white background, and you can also do this. You can just play around with your text right over here, and you can also scale your text right over here like this. If you scroll down again, you can also change the opacity of your text. If you want it to fade a little bit, you can just play around with the opacity. As you can see, the more I scroll or the more I pull it this side, it dims down, but the more I pull it this side, it brightens up. You can also add a stroke if you want by clicking on the stroke and selecting the color you want to add onto your stroke, as you can see right over there. And as you scroll down, you can easily see that there are a lot of options you can add to play around with your text. You can easily make it glow, but this needs internet connection. You can also go down and play around with the blurriness of your text and so on. There are a lot of options to play around with, and yeah, and that's it. So that's how you can easily add text in Capcut, and that's how you can edit your text in Capcut. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.